proportion, these all things we have to study in this particular chapter, and we have to study the mole concept. We have to study the mole concept. Now dear students, remember, this is the base of chemistry. This chapter is the base of chemistry. अगर हमें केमिस्ट्री को जानना है, वी हैव टू लर्न और वी हैव टू नो अबाउट केमिस्ट्री, देन वी शुड नो अबाउट एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स. So dear students, this particular thing is atoms and atomic mass, molecular mass, mole concept. These all are the basis of chemistry. So we are going to study these things in that particle nature and their basic units, dear students. So according to the NCERT textbook, it is our third chapter, that is atoms and molecules. In this, these all things we have to study. Now to the next chapter, according to the first unit, is in the first unit, the next chapter is around structure of atoms. Structure of atom. एटम कैसा दिखता है, एटम का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, एटम में प्रोटॉन कहाँ है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ है, न्यूट्रॉन कहाँ है, एटम की वैलेंसी क्या है, दो एटम कंबाइन कैसे होते हैं, इनके बीच में अट्रैक्शन कैसे होता है. दीज ऑल थिंग्स are included in structure of atom. In structure of atom, so I can simply say that we are going to study about proton and neutrons. We are going to study about valency, chemical formula of compounds, and isotopes and isobars. So these all topics to be covered in this particular chapter. So I can simply say to you that according to the NCERT textbook, in the first unit there are 4 chapters, but according to the revised syllabus, these first 2 chapters are intermixed and the third and fourth chapter are as usual, but some of the topics have been deleted. Some of the topics have been deleted. I will discuss further that which topics have been deleted. Which topics have been deleted, I will discuss further, but right